Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Icon Stormhawk waterproof riding boots. Okay, the Stormhawk waterproof boots retail for $185 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. One of the categories Icon really has dialed in and has for a long time is footwear. The Stormhawk boot is a great representation of just that. Sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common boots and shoes. These are our 12 US and they fit and feel exactly as I would expect. I feel like the Icon footwear sizes very consistently. What we have here with the Stormhawk is we have a waterproof, all leather upper boot with a pretty aggressive sole. We've got D30 armor here on both sides in the ankle. You can kind of see that outline right there. There is D30 behind that. This is pretty bitchin'. The BOA lacing system, been out for a long time. We've seen it on a lot of motorcycle apparel by now. It is a great way to open and close a boot. Works flawlessly on this. These things have proven to stand the test of time. Oftentimes the closure system outlasts the boot itself. They're using a different material here for the waterproofing. This is Event. This is supposed to be more breathable while still retaining its waterproof performance. I've had these on in the shop. Actually, it was a little chilly today. We got some fall weather. Had these on for quite a while at my office, and I got to tell you, they did not feel clammy at all. I think this was a good move with this boot. Not saying the previous stuff from Icon was not as breathable, but these felt really, really nice. When you get these in your hand and you take a look at it, they scream premium all the way. The quality looks absolutely amazing. They were comfortable enough that I could easily walk around in these for hours while at a destination, right? You could probably even almost wear this as a casual, kind of waterproof boot for fall, and or winter season. Like any moto footwear, we're going to have reinforcement here in the sole, so it's crush proof. You're going to have reinforcement here in the heel for impact and abrasion resistance. There's reinforcement built in up here into the toe box. And they do all this while maintaining good comfort to protect your toes up in this area as well. Reflectives for night riding. Small little patch here on the heel of each boot. Perfectly visible for cars behind you. When the lights hit that at night, it really pops nicely. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.